Hi, I'm Alexander from René of Paris, and today it's my colour of the month. I'd like to talk to you about, firstly I'm going to tell you what style it is. This is Cosmo Sleek, and this is in the Mauve Collection. It's a gorgeous style, but the colour is absolutely to die for. The colour is Mauve Berry. So mauve is a shade of purple. Berry, as we know, we get those wonderful reds and purples and very, very lovely exotic shades. So we've attached this into Mauve Berry. We have a slight root on there, and this wonderful purpley kind of shade just looks gorgeous. So today, I'm talking to you about this wonderful shade Mauve Berry, which is gonna be my colour of the month. I absolutely love it. What do you think? Thanks for tuning in. I'm Alexander. This is the colour of the month.